Good morning, you guys. While waiting on my Raiders to play, yeah, I know it's a rough season, but I'm Raiders do or die all day, every day. While I'm waiting on my Raiders to play, I've been getting questions from you guys on how I do my audio recordings, my little videos, my shorts or full length, full frame, full form videos. And I'm going to show you. I use my, where did I put it? Hold on one second. Sorry about that. Oh, I am currently using my Zoom H2N recorder. I recently switched to the Zoom H1N because I dropped this one and it was acting funny at the time. I ended up selling my Zoom H1N to a buddy of mine, and I hope he's putting it to good use. But also, I purchased a Zoom H4N Pro. Yeah, I'm addicted to car audio and car audio tech stuff. I just want to give you guys the best possible videos. If it works better, good. If not, I'll probably sell it or keep it and use them interchangeably. But for this video, while I'm waiting on my Zoom H4N Pro to arrive, we'll be using the Zoom H2N. Anyway, it's pretty quick. It's a fairly easy process for me, and maybe it's easy because I do this stuff for a living, but it's fairly simplified. I'll try to simplify it as best as possible. I'm going to record some footage really quickly. Got my camera set up over there. I think you can see it. Hope so. I'm going to record some footage really quickly of how I do this, and then I'm going to record myself through my editing process. And it literally takes minutes to do. It's pretty straightforward. And I'm also going to record a demo, and I'm going to leave some of my phone recording footage or audio in there, as well as let the Zoom audio take over, because I do this because, number one, my phone audio absolutely sucks. The noise canceling makes it that much more difficult to give you guys a good demo. But also, I want to give you guys the best possible demo to give you the best idea of what my car sounds like. You know, I mean, of course, it's transmitted through video. It's only so much we can do. But I figure the better the audio, the better idea you have. And please always wear headphones, because our phone speakers are tiny. Even if it has multiple speakers, it'll never sound as good as a actual handy recorder or a good microphone. So please listen and check out the footage really quick. It'll be pretty quick. All right, here we go. So the first thing I'll do is I'll record my Hibby player and, you know, move around the car just to show you guys I'm connected, show my speakers and whatnot. Same format, pretty much do it every time. And as you can see, this is just my phone audio. My Zoom recorder is over here. I usually hold it while I'm recording, but for right now, this is the first stage. I just do this. And after I've finished my recording, I then put my phone down and grab my Zoom recorder, right? And then I make sure, which is very important, make sure to play the exact same segment of the previous song. And I'll show you. Exact same segment of the song. Then I'll turn on my Zoom recorder and I'll place it pretty much where my ears are, as close as possible. Move my head out the way. I know it looks silly, especially when my neighbors are looking at me. And I'll play the exact same segment of the song, and I'll turn it up to my loudest demo volume. But on the Zoom recorders, they have a gain setting. I make sure the gain setting is low to make sure I don't clip the microphones and distort the audio. Then I go ahead and record the segment. Then when I'm done with that, turn my Zoom recorder off, of course, and I take the footage inside and use my video editor. I use Filmora as my video editor, and what I do is, first of all, I load the audio and video in, the Zoom audio in with the camera phone video, and I use Filmora's auto syncing feature to make sure that the audio is in sync, right? Then I delete the phone audio altogether. I remove it altogether, or in this case, I just cut it in half so I can let you hear the phone audio before I turn on the Zoom audio. But normally I detach and cut all of the phone audio altogether, and I turn the Zoom audio all the way up. In Filmora, it goes up to plus 20 dB, but again, because the gain is set so low in my Zoom recorder, it goes up to 10, I believe, and I have the gain between 3 and 4. Because I've tried it over the time, and it does clip the microphone because my system is kind of loud. But yeah, I turn the volume in Filmora all the way up to 20, and then it's synced, and I do whatever editing I'm going to do. Usually I'm out here, the sun is shining directly in my car, so I'll cut back on the brightness, the curve adjustment, and all that. But I don't do any tuning or any adjustments on the audio. What you hear through my Zoom recorder is what my system sounds like as best as possible through a YouTube demo. But I turn the audio up, do my do my adjustments in my recordings, add a little notes here and there if I need you guys to pay attention to anything specific. And after that, export the video and upload it to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, wherever I share my audio. But that's pretty much the process. And obviously, you can see in the video, I wear headphones, of course, because I want to make sure it sounds good. And sometime if my recording is in question or my tune is in question, I'll then open up Qobuz, which I use for my audio, and I'll listen to the song in Qobuz, then I'll listen to my audio and make sure they're in sync. Of course, it's going to be slightly different because headphones and Qobuz is all in your head, all in your ears right there. No sound is escaping, whereas the car is an open, wide space. So that makes a big difference in how the audio is going to be received. But still, the song sounds like the song, or like I like to say, Snoop sounds like Snoop, Dre sounds like Dre, so on and so forth, right? It does sound like the person. It doesn't sound bloated or overly too much mid-range or anything like that. It's not too sharp, too many harsh S's, anything like that. And once I'm happy with the audio, done and done, upload it, and here we go. And like I said, it's usually like a quick process. A longer video, longer process, of course, but for my shorts, 1 minute, maybe 5-6 minutes to edit. Nothing specific unless it's something crazy in the video, crazy lighting or anything like that. But otherwise, that's it. So with that being said, I'll end this video with an actual demo of the sound. I'm going to play some DRM free music, but I'll play this song with my phone audio, and then halfway through I'll cut it and you'll hear just the Zoom audio and hear the difference and why I prefer using a handy recorder as opposed to using just my phone.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, kiss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. All the blows, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. But we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
And there it is, you guys. Hopefully it wasn't too choppy. Hopefully the video didn't take too long to get the point across. It was a quick project on the fly, but I hope it worked out. If you have any additional questions, please refer back to the video or just ask me. You know, I'll answer as best I possibly can. But yeah, all I do is I record my video with my phone, and then I record the exact same segment of audio with my Zoom recorders, then put it up in my film editor, CapCut, Filmora, Adobe Pro, whatever. It's all pretty much the same, just different interfaces. Then I sync the audio with my video. Then I delete the phone audio because it's trash, and then I use my Zoom audio in its place, turn it up because the Zoom gain is set low so I don't clip the mics, turn it up here, make sure it's balanced, listen in my headphones, listen on my actual phone just to make sure it does sound good, and then I upload it and share it with you guys. So, all right, again, if you have questions, please let me know, and listen with headphones, and until next time, stay tuned.